Hello, Bacha Party. How are you all? I am Yamin Dasadia, your science teacher, welcoming you to my channel. Okay, Bacha Party, this is the third and last part of your chapter 3 from testing to digesting. Okay, so I hope all of you have watched previous two parts of textbook explanation. This is the third and last part of our textbook explanation. In this part, we are going to learn about digestive juice, proper food, junk food, then function of stomach, etc. Okay, this part will be very interesting. So, in the story, A Stomach with a Window, they have mentioned about Dr. Beaumont. Okay, so this Dr. Beaumont is nothing but a surgeon. He has done many surgery. In this story, he has done the surgery of Martin's stomach. Okay, so what he found during the surgery? He found that there are some liquid in our stomach. Okay, there are some liquid in our stomach that helps in digestion, and that liquids are nothing but digestive juice. So what is digestive juice? A liquid in a stomach that helps in digestion. It is known as digestive juice. Simple. So again, what is digestive juice? Digestive juice is nothing but the liquid in a stomach that helps in digestion. It also helps to make the food wet and soft. Okay, so because of that, it is easy to digest, and that is why it also help in digestion. Okay, are you clear with what is digestive juice? Okay, Bacha Party. Moving ahead, they have given what is the temperature of our stomach. Okay, we already know the food we eat that directly goes to stomach through mouth and food pipe. So what will be the temperature of that particular stomach to digest our food? It is around 30 degrees Celsius. As you have seen here, I have highlighted that point here. So what is the temperature of our stomach? It is 30 degrees Celsius. Is it clear? This all the fact is found by Dr. Beaumont. How do you pronounce that? Dr. Beaumont. Is it clear? And many other experiment that has performed by Dr. Beaumont, we have already discussed in our previous explanations video, isn't it? So are you clear with what is digestive juice, what is the temperature of our stomach, what is the function of digestive juice? Isn't it, Bacha Party? Then they have given this table. This table states that a particular food take how much time to digest. Here, if you drink unboiled milk, it takes around 2 hours and 15 minutes to digest. Okay, is it? And there are many other examples given for the same, the food item and time taken for digestion. Please go through that. After that, we have seen our stomach churns the food to digest. Okay, it is the very important point. It states the function of our stomach. What is the main function of our stomach? It churns mean it break down the complex substance into simple substance. So it churns the food to digest it. Okay, it is the main function of our stomach. Then Dr. Beaumont, during his experiment, found that the food digests faster in the stomach than outside. Okay, so digestion of food take place faster where? Inside the stomach. Okay, he also found that the juice, that is the digestive juice in our stomachs, are acidic. You have also heard this word acidic. In your family member, they have told you आज तो acidity हो रही है. So this acidity is nothing but due to acidic juice in our stomach. If the amount of acid increase in stomach, then it result in acidity. Is it clear? The juice in our stomach is acidic in nature. Okay, bacha party. Moving ahead, this story is finished, and lastly, they have given about junk food and proper food. So, what is junk food? Junk food is an unhealthy food which is hard to digest, okay, such as chips, burger, pizza, soft drink. These are nothing but junk food, and these junk food are hard to digest. Our digestive system find this food very hard to digest. That's why they are unhealthy for our body. Is it clear, bacha party? So what is proper food? A proper food is nothing but a food required to grow and develop properly. Okay, so what is a proper food? The other name for proper food is balanced diet. So what is balanced diet? It is nothing but proper food. And what is proper food? Proper food is nothing but the food which has all the nutrients. Okay, I have already discussed this in previous video. What is nutrients? The substance which required by our body to grow and to develop. Okay, so the food which contain all the nutrients and help us to grow and develop properly is known as proper food or balanced diet. You can pause the video and go back and hear it again. Okay, it is the definition of balanced diet or proper food. In your question paper there may be a question that what is proper food, so you have to write this definition. What is the definition? It's a food that contain all nutrients which helps to grow and develop properly. This is the definition of proper food, and it is also known as balanced diet. So if question is asked what is balanced diet and what is proper food, the answer will remain the same. Is it clear, bacha party? And lastly, they have given example of Kalahandi. The childrens and the peoples of Kalahandi died due to hunger. Okay, there is a food crisis there, so we do not have to waste food. In your home also, try to not waste the food. Okay, if you want to eat some quantity, small quantity of food, then only take small quantity of food. Please do not waste food. In our country, almost 50 to 60% of people die due to hunger. They do not get food properly. That's why they cannot survive. So if we are getting food, we have to be grateful for that, and we do not have to waste any grain of the food. Is it clear, bacha party? With this we have completed our third chapter. Okay, and if still anyone has any doubt, they can message me or comment down below. Okay, bacha party, till the next chapter, take care, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye bye.
Keep watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and do not forget to wear a mask and take good care of your health.